How to fix syncing with iCloud post on messages on iPhone. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on troubleshooting and fixing the syncing with iCloud post issue in messages on an iPhone. First of all, you gotta head over to your phone settings. So once you're in settings, you gotta click on your iCloud over here. You'll be able to see your name at the top. So you gotta simply click on that. And once you do so, you'll be able to see an option that says iCloud. So simply click on it. And here you'll be redirected to your iCloud section. So what you gotta do is click on messages over here. If you're not able to find messages here, you can simply click on see all and select messages. So once you've selected messages, what you gotta do is scroll down and then you gotta click on sync now. So once you click on sync, it will say syncing with iCloud, and the status says syncing with iCloud. So just wait for it to get synced, and that's it. So that is basically how you can fix syncing with iCloud post on messages on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.